Hi, boys and girls, it's Mr. Yates, and we're going to go over the word problem answer for the word problem for Wednesday, April 8th. First of all, as always, I'm going to be reading the word problem, and then I'm going to come up with an answer sentence. Mr. Moore read 25 pages of a book on Monday. He read 32 pages on Tuesday, 39 pages on Wednesday, and 46 pages on Thursday. If this pattern continues, how many pages will Mr. Moore read on Sunday? I'm going to go ahead and start my answer sentence. Looks like here is the question. How many pages will Mr. Moore read on Sunday? So I'll turn that into an answer sentence. I'll use Mr. Moore will read blank pages on Sunday. Make sure you use the word pages and on Sunday, pages on Sunday in your answer sentence. You could use he for Mr. Moore if you want to. Now that I've got my answer sentence, I'm going to decide here. Now, I was about to jump in and do a unibar, but I'm looking at this and I realize that I see this keyword in here, pattern. And when I see the word pattern, that gives you an idea that maybe a unit bar is not the best thing to do, but maybe use a table. Tables are a good way for us to show what the pattern is. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself a table. And hopefully, if you saw that word pattern when you were solving this, you did the same thing. So I'm going to look. Maybe I'll take and I'll make like pages. Make a table here with day. So I'll have two columns, one for pages and one for day. And that way I can just go through this and mark down everything I see in the word problem, and then I should be able to find a pattern and then determine how many pages Mr. Moore read on Sunday. So let me go through it. Mr. Moore read 25 pages of a book on Monday. I'm going to stop right there at that point and take a look. So I know in my pattern right now, I can, right here where it says day, I'll go ahead and write Monday. And it looks like he read 25 pages of the book on Monday. So since I use those already in my table, I'll cross out these first part of my word problem, and I'll keep on going. He read 32 pages on Tuesday. There's a comma right there, so I'll stop. And it looks like he can add to my table again. Looks like I'll use Tuesday in my pattern or in my table. And then I'll go over here and see, 32 pages. So I'll write 32 in my pages. Check to see if you did the same thing, boys and girls. I'm crossing off my sentence, and I'm going to keep going. 39 pages on Wednesday, and I see the word and in a comma right there, so I'll stop. I look, I can take that 39 and put it here for my next pages. And I can make that Wednesday, and I'll just abbreviate Wednesday here. And I'll cross that off. Oops, I didn't want to move that over. Let's cross that off. Now I saw some more words, so I'm going to read them. And 46 pages on Thursday. I'll stop there. Well, now I know I can put 46 pages on Thursday. And then I'm going to continue reading. If this pattern continues, I'll stop right there. And remember, with that keyword pattern, help us to remember that this is going to be a table that we're going to use to solve it. And I'm going to look at it and go, oh, okay, pattern continues. That means I'm going to add more to it. So I left myself some space here. And I may need to add a little bit more space to it now that I realize that the question is, how many pages will Mr. Moore read on Sunday? So what I'll do is I'll add a few more things to continue the pattern. I may have to go down here and make it a little bit longer. Saturday, Sunday. So I'm going to go a little bit beyond what I originally set up for my table, and that's okay. So I want to add those things for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm looking at the question mark here, and the one I want to know is Sunday. that is where I want to use, or where I want to put my answer in my answer sentence here. So we'll go ahead and cross this out. We're all done with the word problem. We're now just trying to see what we could do for an expression. And I'm taking a look at it, and I'm going to look at the pattern. So I go 25, 32, 39, 46. I kind of see a pattern. I'm going to test it out here. So 32 take away 25 is going to equal 7. And 39 take away 32 is 7. And yep, 46 minus 39 is equal to 7. So I can kind of see that my pattern is going to be plus 7. So it's the number I had previously plus 7. So what I'll do is I'll solve by filling in the table here. So I'll go 46 plus 7 is going to equal 53 for Friday. And then I kind of got a little messy here because I started writing some lines, which I really didn't need to because I have lined paper. But 53, and then I'm going to add 7 more is 60 for Saturday. And then on Sunday, we just add 7 more. 60 plus 7 is 67 pages. So on Sunday, Mr. Moore reads 67 pages of his book. And now we have our answer for our answer sentence. Mr. Moore will read 67 pages on Sunday. All right, great. That's our Wednesday word problem of the day. I look forward to seeing you and checking your answers for the Thursday word problem of the day. Bye-bye, boys and girls.